I'm Louise from Gypsy Rose Divination. Today I'm going to be working with the healing energy of the Gerbera and my guides, my fairies, angels, nature spirit guides, and the Deva, the flower spirit of the Gerbera, is going to send their energy through my hands, and they're going to impress on me certain things, what to say about the healing and the spiritual energies of the Gerbera. So all I need you to do is just relax and you can sit or lie down. You can look at the flower if you wish to, or just close your eyes and just set the intention that you wish to receive the healing energy of the Gerbera from Louise with peace, love, and gratitude. So I'm going to set up the healing now. So I wish to send the healing energy of the beautiful Gerbera to anybody that watches this video at any point in the future to receive with peace, healing, love, and gratitude. Now the healing is now set up. Now the Gerbera is a friendship flower. It's a very cheerful flower. It attracts friendships in your life. If you look at it, it's similar. It has a similar petal structure to a sunflower. So it's like a disc shape. It's like reaching out to the sun, and it's also got like a little face like a sunflower as well. So very cheerful flower, joyful, happy to be here on this earth at this particular moment in time. I know we're having a difficult time as always, but we always have, haven't we? We've been here and we're here to evolve, but we're here to make the best of things as well, and to try and strive to be cheerful and to get on with others. That's what the Gerbera is about, finding like-minded people on our path. And it's like smiling at people, saying hello to strangers. It's being cheerful around others is the Gerbera. This particular Gerbera, a bit hard to say, is red, which gives it a little bit of strength to this. So this is about developing strong friendships. So if you need some help with attracting stronger friendships in your life, let's just receive some healing now from the Deva of this flower. Strong friendships are important in our life. We don't need to be alone all the time. Everybody needs somebody in their life around them to support them and for us to support them. We're not supposed to live alone. To be alone, that is. We can live alone, but we're not supposed to be alone. All the time. We can be alone as long as we are strong with ourselves and we're not needy or anything like that. But it is good to have strong friendships around us. This isn't about the superficial friendships, the work associations, people we see we have on the internet. Some of these can become strong friendships. There's a place for everything, but this is about the friendship where you know they're there for you and you're there for them. We support each other, but we don't feel encumbered by each other. We don't take over each other's lives. This also could be if one of your best mate, your strong friendship has gone by the wayside. This can flower, this particular flower, the red gerbera, could help with, I feel, help with understanding why this friendship has come to an end or you're having trouble with it. Is it possible to regain the trust again? So there's an element of trust with this as well. Sometimes it's also because it's red and it's red can be the colour of fight or flight. This could be about fighting for your friendship. Is your friendship worth fighting for? Can it be salvaged? This could also be about around family. Family, we can't help our family, but sometimes we need to fight for our family friendships to regain the harmony. This is true if certain members of the family are at a distance. I'm hearing power as well, powerful friendships. The two of you can create something really solid that can make a difference in the world. That's what I'm hearing from the Deva, the flower spirit. I'm hearing a song now. It's something like even the bad times are good. Something, 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 baby. So perhaps you and your friend have gone through bad times, in their lives together. There's like, they've been supporting each other through marriage, breakups, illness, whatever, divorce, money problems. But even the bad times are good. You look back on this and it's your friendship has held together, or perhaps it's fell apart now or it's strained. But there's a bond there. There's a bond there. So maybe just pick up the phone, send a message, because sometimes we don't know what we fell out about, do we? There's some compromise there, and there's a reconnection. There's a fire around the red. There's a passion around it. So maybe some of you who are attracted to this particular colour of flower right now um, are feeling angry. Angry. Why is my old friend, being like this? Well, there's a certain amount of swallowing your pride, and somebody's got to make the first move, because I'm hearing this could be a wonderful thing. So if you are struggling with a friendship, a deep, strong, that was really good friendship, your best mate has gone wrong, then work with the energy of in particular, the red gerbera. I'm also feeling drawn to the red rose, so perhaps a combination of both of them. Of course, this could be like a connecting flower. So if this friendship cannot be salvaged at this particular moment in time or ever, then you may gain insights into another flower or anything that could help. Any thoughts about how to deal with this? That's what I'm sensing. So let's send one bit of final healing now. I'm seeing two ladies running along, holding hands like as friends, and they're laughing. So this is the best made flower, in particular the red one, which is a wonderful thing. And seeing and hearing the hills are alive with the sound of music of Julie Andrews in my mind's eye. If you're watching this at any point in the future and this means anything to you, please comment in the box below. I have no idea where this has come from, but if that's for you, just let me know. Also, celebration with this. I'm seeing people around around a dining table, around a table eating and drinking together. So it's a nice companionship feel. If you're feeling alone and you wish to join a friendship group but you're scared, we've got anxiety about it, call upon this flower, any gerbera, any coloured gerbera would help with that. So I'm just going to draw back from this energy now, disconnect, and I'd like you to do the same. That felt lovely to me. I want to go out and start doing some new things, socialising, meet some lovely people. Thank you. A blow kiss to you. Namaste.